Are you looking for a quick and easy way to apply PTFE adhesive tapes? Look no further. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Step 1. Begin by cleaning the surface where you plan to apply the tape. Use a clean cloth and an appropriate solvent to ensure that the surface is free of any contaminants like oil, grease, or dirt. Step 2. Measure the length of the surface you want to cover and cut the tape to the desired length. Step 3. Remove the yellow corrugated release liner from the tape. This will expose the adhesive side of the tape. Step 4. Carefully apply the tape to the surface, ensuring that it is aligned correctly and covers the entire area. Use gentle pressure to make sure the tape adheres to the surface. Step 5. Once the tape is applied, use a roller or a smooth, flat tool to smooth out any air bubbles or wrinkles that may have formed. And that's it. You've successfully applied PTFE adhesive tape to your surface. Remember, PTFE adhesive tape is a versatile and essential product for various applications, including sealing jaws, heat sealing wires, vacuum, and blister packing operations. With its non-stick properties and temperature-resistant coating, you can trust PTFE adhesive tape to get the job done right. Thanks for watching. To reach us, simply send an email to sales@techbelt.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Alternatively, you can call us directly at +44 1422 366 386 to speak with one of our knowledgeable team members.